Vincent Kamungan, Mr. Supranational Philippines!
Hi guys, good day. I'm here now with our Mr. Supranational Philippines 2025. Walang iba kundi si Kenneth Kabungkal.
Hello po.
Kenneth,
Hello,
how are
Mami. I'm so happy po today. It's our send-off press presentation. And ang saya ko po dahil nakapag-express po ako sa mga gusto kong sabihin. And humingi po ako ng tulong sa ating kapwa Pilipino and sa mga tao, especially sa media and sa mga brothers ko here sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide.
Alright, so right after nung Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, aside from preparing sa upcoming Mr. Supranational 2025 pageant, ano pa yung mga prepare mo?
Marami po, Mami, kasi we did a lot of things for supranational. Most especially na malaking pageant to, it's a big show. Kaya need nating mag-prepare talaga holistically. And lahat ng mga needs natin, prepare naman po natin. Kulang lang po tayo sa mga gamit. But we're working on that. Yung mga suits ko, very awesome designer. Also, I want to thank Rick Sotelo for helping me connect with those Filipino designer na ang gagaling. Sila Sir Francis Libiran, Rian Fernandez, Inigo, and Axel Cue, and Matilag, and sa lahat po na mga designer, thank you so much. And basically, lahat po talaga ng mga need natin i-prepare is inayos na po natin ngayon. And sa katawan naman natin, every day we're going to gym. And thanks also to my brother Enzo Bunuan for helping me on my program and my workout. And also sa mentally naman po, very thankful to Miss Michelle Padayhag as always kasi always po siya nandyan to check on me, to be more mentally prepared and mentally strong. Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Mitch. And ngayon po, I can say that 90 out of 100 po tayo ka-prepare. And we still have 15 days na to be fully prepared. And I know, kaya po natin to. And help me, guys. Thank you so much.
Alright, so first, I would like to congratulate you for winning Supra Chat.
Ay,
Ayan.
thank you po, Mami. Thank you.
Tell me, how did you prepare for it?
Sa Supra Chat po, actually, I always prepare sa Q&A ko. May training po kami, ginagawa. But on winning that po, I think what I have learned from my previous pageant is you don't need to be smart. You need to always answer from the heart. And yun po yung nagtulong sa akin, kaya po siguro nanalo ako kasi I just follow kung ano yung gustong sabihin ng puso ko.
And it's your second time to compete internationally. So what do you think is the difference from before to now?
Actually, Mami, marami pong nagbago sa atin. Kasi as time goes by, mas nag-grow pa tayo as a person. So, siguro po, yung mga bagay na natutunan natin is yung mga bagay na ma-apply natin on this journey. And for me, yun po yung nag-help sa akin na to be a more better man, better pageant king. And I think ito po yung magtutulong sa atin sa international stage.
And syempre, may mga, aside from Supra Chat challenges, there are also social media challenges,
yes
which
po.
is yung influencer. So, you can ask support from your fans.
Guys, kapwa nating Pilipino dyan, tulungan niyo po ako sa bawat challenges na gagawin namin sa supranational stage with Tara also. Kasi hindi po namin to kaya without you guys. We need your help, really help. And I'm so happy kasi kakapanalo lang ni Tara sa influencing challenge and hopefully tayo din. So today, gagawa po ako ng Facebook page and I hope na i-follow nyo po ito and tulungan nyo po ako kasi I need you and I need more followers for my page. So I'll keep posted, guys. I'll post it on my social media and my story, or I'll post it para madali nyo pong ma-access and ma-follow. Thank you so much.
And your message to those person who don't believe in you.
Message ko po sa mga tao hindi pa po naniniwala sa atin is I hope na someday you will also believe in me, in my capabilities, in me as a person. And although I have a lot of mistake before, I have been a immature on some things, but I have learned from those mistakes, and I hope that you will really forgive me for the things I have done, because I'm just a human being. I'm imperfectly perfect human being. So I hope that someday you will believe in me, and you will also support me. And so to those of my supporters, I really want to thank you guys since day one, since we start here in pageantry. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope na even though this will be my last pageant, you will continue to be there for me in my life. Yeah, thank you so much. Most especially to you, Mami J, kasi ikaw yung isa sa unang tao na tumulong sa akin on my pageant journey. Salamat po.
All right. Thank you so much, Kenneth. And we're hoping for you and Pageant Trend will support you in all your pageant journey, especially sa Mr. Supranational 2025 pageant in Poland. And
Thank you, Mami.
one last question na lang.
Sige, Mami.
So, you've been through a lot of, mga pageant like challenges. So, who is Kenneth now?
One word that I can describe Kenneth, he is ready.
Wow.
Ready now to take on the supranational stage. And those years that I have been in pageantry, 3 years, I did sacrifice all the things I'm doing before for this. And I hope that those sacrifices will be a reward for us on supranational, and we can take the crown, hopefully.
Yes, go for the second crown, Kenneth.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much, Kenneth, and best of luck.
Thank you
sa
so
journey
much,
mo.
Mami
And,
J. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.